At 37 years old, this car has shown me that I probably have a compulsive disorder, or I have some type of perfectionism or some type of issue because I just keep working on it. And I really enjoy working on it because, for one, it's simple. But on top of that, it brings me a lot of joy. Learning, I think, is the key word we're thinking about here. Learning, I'm learning. I'm learning how to paint. I'm learning how to wet sand. I'm learning body work. I'm learning. And, if things aren't perfect, it's fine for now. I'm not doing any harm to the car because I can always take it to a proper body shop. I can always make sure that a professional does it correctly, right? The car doesn't have rust on it. The car's engine is great. But that thing about learning how to do something new, it releases all these endorphins in my brain. It allows me to stay up and work late at night, sleep 4 hours a day because learning is just so awesome. It's so empowering. And not just from working on this car am I learning. I'm learning how to drive. I'm learning how to anticipate. I'm learning to hear the sounds of the engine and the motor, to shift at the right points, to understand the capabilities of the car, the weaknesses of the car, and then to enjoy the process of travel. Sometimes we get these cars, faster Porsches, and we just want to go fast. We want lap times. Possibly we want to show off. We want to put the grin on our passengers' faces. We want other people to look at us as we speed by. And maybe that might be the immature initial reason for why we may decide to put one of these in our driveway in our garage. But what I've noticed from Porsche ownership is that as you continue to own the cars and appreciate them, you go back. You get the slower ones. You get the unique ones. You don't care about who's looking at you. And you understand the love that was put into engineering these vehicles. You understand the dedication that it took to present and create something that the world would love. And it gets in you. It gets in your blood. It gets in the way that you think, the way you process what you do on a daily basis. And that's where you become obsessed. That's where you separate. That's where you grow. So people think that when I buy a car, if I buy a Porsche, it's like buying a whole nother car. No, it's not like buying another car. No, you see, from the rumble of the flat six, the air cooled, to the sounds of the most powerful inline four-cylinder created for its time. These cars enthrall your emotions and they cause you to become obsessed. So, if you have things in your life and you want to do other things and not understanding process and growth and learning is not your objective, don't buy a Porsche. Go buy a BMW. If you don't like to actually drive, but you like to pose, buy a Mercedes. If you just like to look elegant and to have sophistication, go buy an Audi. But if you want to learn to build, learn to drive, learn to restore, you only buy one brand. And that brand is where I'm obsessed for now and forever.